friends, in my earlier videos, I have shown how to create a presentation using Copilot just within few seconds. Today, I'm going to show you how to apply the branding because any PPT with no branding doesn't add any value. So I'm using M365 Copilot licensed version. In case if you are using free version, probably you may not see all these options what I'm saying here. Now I'm under the create an image. I'm just simply switching to the presentation. Click on more here, presentation. So in case if you're looking for your company or organizational templates or branding, you may need to click on office templates. In case if your branding team already uploaded all the templates, you will find all those. Today for my demo, I'm using one of the predefined template by the Microsoft. Pick any one. I'm just simply clicking on one of these. Here I'm going to click on create a presentation. This is all the browser version of the PPT and I already have a Copilot licensed version. Here I'm going to simply type Generative AI session in 5 slides for beginners, and the template is already picked up. Simply click on go ahead. In 2-3 seconds you may see all these slides. Click on generate slides. It is just giving you the summary of that slide. It is creating all the slides required. I clearly specified that I need 5 slides, excluding the intro slide and the conclusion slide. It is creating exactly the 5 slides. It is in the process. So you can choose like 10-20 slides. It will follow your instructions. It is already created. Just simply click on the slideshow. You will find all the design what you selected as a template. The same thing will happen when you choose your company branding. So it gave me all the slides, text, transition required. You have to be more specific about the details. You need to specify in the prompt so that it will follow your instructions. So all my PPT is ready. Thank you for watching my videos.